How to set up volume discounts in Shopify. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so. It is actually built in Shopify and it is extremely simple to do. So let's just go and get started. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to the discounts tab on the left side here. And we simply just want to create a new discount. Go ahead and click on amount of products. And we're just going to make it an automatic discount. You can feel free to make it a code, but usually with volumes, we are just going to leave it as automatic, and we're just going to go ahead and give it a proper title. So I just titled it buy 5 red, save 15%. I just said red because I have some sample products which are basically just colors, so I'm just going to use those. So the discount value is going to be 15%. We just wanted to add that. And we want to apply it to specific products. I'm just going to click on browse, and we have the red one right here, and click on add. Now we just want to scroll down. We have the eligibility here where I'm just going to leave it as all customers. But here's the important part here, which is the minimum purchase requirements. So we simply just want to choose minimum quantity of items, and I'm just going to set it up to be 5. So this means that this discount, which is the 15%, is only going to work if they buy 5 pieces of this product. You can, by the way, add multiple different products at once, but I'm just going to leave it to this one. So now if they buy 5 of these products, they're going to get the discount. And I'm just going to go ahead and leave everything else as it is. You have active dates here. You can set up start dates and end dates, and also combinations, which are basically other discounts that can be applied at the same time if enabled. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on save, and we are pretty much good to go. So now we can actually go back to the discounts section and see now this is going to be active. So it's only going to work if they buy 5, and they're going to get 15% off once they actually do that. And yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.